Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the load so the machine can work efficiently. First, check pockets and close zippers to prevent damage. This reduces clogs and tears. Once done, sort clothes by color and fabric because different materials and dyes need different cycles. Make sure to load loosely. Do not cram the drum. Leaving about 10 to 20% space helps water and detergent circulate, which improves cleaning and reduces wear on both clothes and the Icecool drum. Next, you add detergent and choose the correct program so the wash matches fabric needs. Use the dosing line on the detergent cap. Accurate measurement prevents residue and saves money. Then pick the cycle: cotton for sturdy items, delicate for fragile pieces, or quick for small loads, adjusting temperature and spin speed to match fabric care labels. If items are heavily soiled, use pre-wash or stain options, and if you want lower energy use, select the Eco mode, which extends time but cuts power. Finally, you complete the cycle by unloading promptly to avoid wrinkles and mildew, then reshape garments and follow label drying instructions. After multiple uses, clean the door seal and detergent drawer to prevent buildup and odors. This maintains performance. If the machine fails to fill, drain, or shows an error, check the water inlet hose for kinks, clean the pump filter, and consult the error code guide. Doing so quickly usually resolves blockages or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.